Sarkar Jila Kalarai Banwan Rakno Daka Office Memorandum Panla Pinjanai Ya Kajing Traikam Jangkatnat Public Works Department Kajila Ya Kene Karai La Shim Ha Kajing Yalang Bala Penlong Dau Sembut Menteri Rangba Uba Preston Tinsong Pat Kilai Tali Kitnat Sarkar Bakentop Ya Katnat Planning Finance Bat Ka PWD Ha Kasngi Baar Habaya kren bat kinong thok kubor Uba Preston Laong Bakilai Tali Kitnat Kilai Ai Ya Kijing Batai Babenya Halor Kawai Kekam Bat kata kalong ban penjana ya kerukom trikam jengkatnat PWD la kadai na kebenta ki surok thamai la kadai ke jingsna ki surok thamai jing maramot ya ki surok ne ban penbit penbiang ya ki surok rim katkum ke jing ong jeng u ya kanela syam namar menta ka jela mekhalaya kala don duna ya ke 10,000 kilometer tang ka surok lejong laino ki national highway bat ki surok bala IT syaka NHIDCL ula ongru bala ya kren ya barok ki badan kam bat sen in sawandra daka OM bat hakajing yalang la ekren ru halor kajing don kam pan pin ya phya kerdan ki surok kajela ban itu ya kano kino kita ki major road ki minor road kino ki village road bat kino ki surok babon tam kajing ya ki kali bat yakin baro in sapen kre hakador jangka office memorandum.
I'm having a review meeting and a presentation jointly done by planning department and then from finance as well as from PWD roads. And the presentation is only one issue, and the issue is how to improve the working system of the PWD, be it the new road, be it the construction of new road, be it the repairing, the maintenance of the old roads. Because right now in the state of Meghalaya, we have not less than 10,000 kilometers of our own state road, excluding the national highway, excluding the road handed over to NHIDCL. So we discuss all these details, and very soon we will come up with ON, all the detailed ON, where we discuss over there as per the presentation that we should to categorize even the state road that we have here in the state. Which one is a major road? Which one is a minor road? Which one is village road? Which one is the most commercial viable approach road? These are the issues we discuss, and then we have already finalized everything, and we will come up with with all those issues in the form of the office memorandum.
Sir, recently there was an allegation into the corruption into the implementation of the road in Amlarem in West Warjati Hills. What do you have to say?
That one, I think, in fact, I've already instructed the CE National Highway to look into it, because in fact this provision is being done by the RO. We call it this RO station from Guwahati of the Nahai themselves. They are the one who even passed the bill, everything, and I have already instructed them from my chief engineer whether the allegation made is correct or not, and we will see that such kind of recklessness in the execution of project, be it road, be it any project in the state of Meghalaya, should not happen like that.
Sir, the GAC comprising of the headmen and NGOs of that area, they have demanded the government to blacklist the Dhar construction company because after 2 months of completion of this road, and the road is now in a dilapidated condition.
Well, I can't say right now whether blacklist is required or not. Let the process start. Once the process starts, I will know exactly, once the report I get, all the details, because as I said to you, directly this is linked to the Nahai, because this is a national highway. It does not fall under the state government authority. So the Nahai is the sole control authority of this project.
Sir, but yesterday the High Court had sought a report from the state government regarding the status of the National Highway 6 in the Jainti Hills.
Well, that one too, the repairing work started already. repairing work started already, right from let me tell you, right from I think from Clarion side, they already started now. The repairing work is on, and the Nahai has already engaged a contractor to do the repairing work. And now, as I said too, the work is on, and I'm sure very soon they'll be able to complete it.